Belt sanders are essential tools for woodworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals seeking efficient material removal and smooth finishes. With various models available, it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your specific needs. This guide evaluates top belt sanders based on power, versatility.
List number 1. WEN6502T Benchtop Belt and Disc Sander. The WEN6502T stands out as a versatile benchtop sander, combining a 4-inch by 36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc sander. Its 4.3 amp motor delivers up to 3,600 RPM, making it suitable for various sanding tasks. The belt tilts from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, allowing for angled sanding, while the sturdy cast iron base minimizes vibrations. Users appreciate its stability and performance, although some note that the dust collection could be improved. Experience WEN Benchtop Belt. 2-in-1 sanding machine includes both a 4x36-inch belt and a 6x6-inch disc. Belt tilts anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees.
List number 2. WEN 6307 Variable Speed Detailing File Sander. For intricate sanding tasks, the WEN 6307 offers a 1/2 inch by 18-inch belt with variable speed control ranging from 1080 to 1800 FPM. Its compact design and 2-amp motor make it ideal for detailed work in tight spaces. The tool-free belt installation and auto tracking system enhance convenience. Users find it effective for precision sanding, though its power may be limited for heavy-duty tasks.
List number 3. WEN 6321 7-amp 3-inch by 21-inch corded belt sander. The WEN 6321 is a lightweight yet powerful sander equipped with a 7-amp motor that spins the belt at 820 feet per minute. Weighing only 6 pounds, it reduces user fatigue during extended use. Features like the lock-in safety switch and dust bag enhance usability. Users commend its performance for general sanding tasks, although some mention that the dust collection system could be improved. Experience WEN 6321 7-amp 3-inch by 21-inch corded belt sander with dust bag. 7-amp motor rotates the belt at over 13 feet per second. Compact design weighs in at a mere 6 pounds to limit the fatigue of the user. List number 4. Jealous 3-inch by 21-inch belt sander with dust bag. The Jealous 3-inch by 21-inch belt sander offers a 7-amp motor with variable speed control, making it suitable for various sanding applications. Its ergonomic design and included dust bag contribute to user comfort and cleanliness. While it provides good value for its price, some users have reported that the build quality may not be as robust as higher-end models. 7-amp and 3-inch by 21-inch sander. Jealous electric sander is 7-amp and the size is 3-inch by 21-inch. Variable speed knob with 6 dials enables you to match the best speed to the application from 120 to 400 RPM. 2-in-1 function bench and belt sander. Jealous belt sander with 2 metal C-clamps, it can be turned over and fixed to table, acting as a bench sander. Lock-on button will help you free your hand and release stress. List number 5. SKIL 7510-01 6-amp 3-inch by 18-inch belt sander. The SKIL 7510-01 features a 6-amp motor and pressure control technology that alerts users when excessive pressure is applied. Its auto-track belt alignment ensures consistent sanding results. The microfiltration dust canister captures fine particles, promoting a cleaner workspace. Users appreciate its ease of use and effective dust collection, though some have noted that it may overheat during prolonged use. Experience SKIL 6-amp 3x 18-inch belt sander with pressure control. Pressure control technology warns user when excessive pressure is applied. 6.0A of power sands any type of wood surface.